Abdali Grammar School, Science. Lesson. Earth and Solar System. Chapter number 9. Lecture number 3. 69 Abdali Road, Islampur Road. In this video, we learn about day and night. How day and night caused and change on Earth. Dear students, day and night caused by the spinning movement of Earth. Earth revolves around the Sun and also spin on its axis. Let's learn how day caused on Earth. The side of Earth that faces the Sun during this movement become bright and shows day on Earth. The side of Earth that do not faces the Sun during this movement become dark and shows night on Earth. Let's learn how seasons changed. Earth revolves around the Sun and complete one rotation around Sun in 365 days. Dear student, do you know that? The period of 1 year is 365 days. Earth is slightly tilted from its plane. The tilting movement of Earth causes seasons: summer, winter, spring, autumn. Timing of seasons in two hemispheres of Earth. These hemispheres are Northern Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere. There are 4 different seasons on Earth at one time. For example, when there is summer on Northern Hemisphere, then it is winter on Southern Hemisphere, and on opposite side there are spring and autumn. When there is winter on Northern Hemisphere, then it is summer on Southern Hemisphere, and on opposite side there are autumn and spring. So due to tilting movement, seasons are changed on Earth, and due to spinning movement, day and night changes on Earth. See you next time with another video. Thanks for watching. Must like and subscribe our YouTube channel. 69 Abdali Road, Islampur, Lahore.